Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MICT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one today, so let's map out some levels of support, then we can talk about areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above 80 cents. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 80, am I saying that the entire chart is ruined? Not saying that, but yeah, if the price can manage to actually stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be the bottom portion of this pullback consolidation range, right down there at 63 cents. So again, 80 cents, 63 cents, two of the nearer term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes on, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as the move, just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, sure, staying above 80 cents or the 63 cent area, that would be great. But from the big picture, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, they made themselves pretty apparent. They are right up there at the 94-cent mark. Not once, but on two separate occasions today, the price tried to get up through that area and just couldn't quite do it. So for whatever reason, people decided they want to try to sell up at 94 cents. So that'll be the key battleground going into next week. All in all, though, any way you look at it, nice movement today, great volume. And now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum next week? We will see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.